guess, and these are glitters. So I'm gonna make slime now. First we will take 2 spoons of clear glue. Now we will take 2 spoons of warm water. Then we will mix it. Then I will choose these colors glitters. I think I will choose blue and red. Let's do it. Then we will mix it. It's getting darker. Now I'll put boric acid solution. Now I'll mix it. Now I'll put some more. Look guys, it is getting into the shape. Look how stretchy it is. Now I will take it in my hand. Look guys, it's so stretchy. You like it? So guys, this was all about making slime at home. If you like this video, subscribe on my page and stay super. See ya.